You hate your debt. That monthly payment, that sinking feeling. You borrowed for a couch, or a vacation, or to fix your car. And now, you're poorer. But here's the question you've never asked. What if the debt isn't the problem? What if how you use it is the problem? Look at the rich. Really look. They borrow money to buy a house that pays them rent. Rent pays the loan. They keep the profit, and the house goes up in value. That's called leverage. Fancy word, simple meaning, using other people's money to make your own money. You borrow for stuff that loses value. They borrow for stuff that grows value. Can't you see? Let me give you the two simplest definitions of your life. Poor debt equals you pay every month, and at the end, you have nothing. Example, a new TV. Pay it off. TV is old, zero wealth. Rich debt equals you pay every month, but the thing you bought pays you back. Example, a cheap lawnmower you rent out to neighbors. Loan is $50 per month. Lawnmower earns $200 per month. You profit $150 every single month. That's it. That's the hack the rich don't advertise. Does that make you angry? Good, it should. Because you were taught debt is dangerous, pay cash for everything. Meanwhile, the rich borrow millions, buy apartment buildings, businesses, vending machines, laundromats. They don't feel guilty, they feel smart. And you feel stuck. But here's the truth you need to hear. You are not bad with money. You were just given the wrong rulebook. Let's fix that. Right now, one rule, write it down. Never borrow for something that won't make you money. If the debt doesn't buy an asset, don't take it. Not negotiable. Small example, skip the new iPhone on credit, buy a used pressure washer on credit, clean 4 driveways at $50 each, pay back the loan in one weekend. Now the pressure washer is profit. That's you, using debt like the rich do. You don't need $1 million, you need one small leveraged win. So here's my challenge to you. This week, find one thing you can buy on debt that creates cash. One lawnmower, one camera for event photos, one basic laptop for freelance work. Stop using debt to get poorer. Start using debt to get richer. Because the rich already figured this out. Can't you see? Subscribe. The 1% won't tell you this twice, but I will.